Hello, welcome back. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about Pythagoras in 3 dimensions. So over here, we are supposed to work out the longest diagonal of this cuboid. We must first know how to identify the longest diagonal. There are 4 equal longest diagonal. The first one is 4 equal diagonals, so the first one is line AG. BH is also one of them. EC is also longest diagonal. Can you find the 4th one? FD is also longest diagonal. So when you are asked to work out any of these lines, the method is the same. So now let's work out our longest diagonal in this cuboid. Let's take, for example, line AG. The general form is AG squared is equal to the length squared plus the width squared plus the height squared. So that's the general Pythagoras equation or format for longest diagonal in a cuboid. And as usual, we work out the square root of that to find our answer. So using the dimension A, 3 and 5, AG will be equal to square root of A squared plus 3 squared plus 5 squared, and that will give you 9.9 cm. 9.9 cm. We can also work out line AG differently by doing 2 steps Pythagoras. If you look carefully, the line AG doesn't necessarily make a right angle triangle. So we start by making a right angle triangle here. So ABC is right angle triangle, and AC is the hypotenuse of that right angle triangle. So we can use 8 and 3 to work out the pink line AC. So AC squared is equal to A squared plus 3 squared, and you find square root on both sides. So we have AC equals to 8.5. Now once we know what is AC, we can use line AC and line CG to work out AG, because AG now becomes the hypotenuse of triangle ACG. So using 8.5 and 5 to work the hypotenuse AG, we have AG squared equals 8.5 squared plus 5 squared. And finding square root on both sides, we still have the same answer, 9.9 cm. So whichever method is correct, but the easiest one is always square root of the sum of squares of all the dimensions. This is how to work out the longest diagonal of a 3D shape in a cuboid. Mind you, you might also be given a prism, a right angle triangle prism. You can also have the same longest diagonal, and the method is the same. One way of noticing longest diagonal in a right angle triangle prism is that the line will not necessarily make a right angle triangle with the base. So that's one way of knowing that that line is a longest diagonal. Thank you for watching.